Welcome to the video on consolidation. The software simplifies the process of consolidating trial balances into a single financial report. Before importing our trial balances, we begin in the Entity Setup screen. It is here that we create divisions. For a single entity or a single trial balance report, only one division, the parent, is required. For a consolidation or a multiple trial balances report, a division is created for each trial balance, whether that be a subsidiary or a branch. The division should have a name and an alias, which is a 2 to 4 character reference. It is also possible to import a list of divisions. The required format for the import file is the division name in column A and the division alias in column B. To import the divisions, click Import. Select the file and click OK. It is possible to create divisions for non-trial balance related entries. For example, we can create a tax entries division to enter the tax adjustments to our consolidation. It is also possible to change the order of the divisions from top to bottom. This will change the order they appear from left to right in the Comprehensive Audit Trail or Consolidation worksheet. To create the first report for your entity, navigate to Entity Reports and click New Report. Add the version and click OK. We are taken to the Report Options Setup screen, where we set the country and basis of preparation. Under Report Format, this is where we turn Show Consolidation to On. You then have the option to create a 2-column or 4-column report. For today, we will be preparing a 2-column report, so we'll switch Show Parent off. Let's move to the Trial Balance screen where we import our trial balances. Here we have a file containing multiple trial balances ready for import. Each tab is named using the alias for the trial balance or division it represents. We have the account number in column A, the account name in column B, the current year balance in column C, and the prior balance in column D. Column D is not required for imports in subsequent periods. To import the trial balances, click the Import button. Select Multiple Trial Balances. Navigate to your file and click OK. We can also import foreign currency trial balances using the FX module. To map the trial balances to the financial report, we can either type the account name, such as cash, or the allocation code. Alternatively, we can use one of the options within the Map button. We know that the trial balance is just the starting point for many statutory reports, and that adjustments are required for things such as reclassifications, tax entries, and audit adjustments. To enter adjustments, we move to the Adjustments screen. Click New and select the division the adjustment relates to. For this example, we will post an elimination adjustment, entering a relevant comment. We then add the relevant allocations and debit and credit balances. It is also possible to add a reference such as a work paper number. Next, we will add an adjustment to a specific division. For example, we might post an adjustment to prepayments that relates specifically to the retailing division. It is also possible to import a file containing your adjustments. To view and prepare the formatted file, click the Export button. Open the file, then type or paste the adjustments. Next, click Import, select the file, and click OK. and we can expand the list of our adjustments. Next, we move to the chart of accounts. Here, we can filter for used codes and see our custom chart of accounts. From here, we can rename allocation descriptions. For example, cash on deposit can become term deposits. It is also possible to add rounding to the consolidated balances. Finally, we will move to the Outputs menu, where we are able to see the results of our consolidation. Here, we are able to export our financial report to Word or PDF. For now, we will export the comprehensive audit trail to Excel. First, we see our customized chart of accounts, followed by a summary of the current period and prior period balances for each division. It begins with the imported trial balance, adds adjustments, and arrives at a total on a division-by-division basis. We then see the consolidated balances, which reflect those shown in the report. The consolidated balances are formula-driven, and the division balances are hyperlinked to the Detailed tab. Any adjustments are also shown in the Detailed tab. Similarly, the adjustments are hyperlinked to the Adjustments breakdown, forming a complete audit trail for our consolidated report. The preparation of consolidated financial reports within the software begins with the setup and import of divisions and trial balances, allows users to enter elimination and consolidation journals at both individual and consolidated levels, and finally produces a comprehensive audit trail that discloses the individual trial balances, reported consolidated balances, and the audit trail of movements in between. View the other videos on the Accuri website to see what else you can do.